Guys, today is Friday, right? So we just moved. Barney's not here yet because he's at work, but I was here recording for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying this vlog. You know, I have a new camera. You know, I look cute. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Like, yeah, I'm really excited. I'm just here, you know, trying to organize and things like that. But I need to go. I even forgot. 1 second, guys. I even forgot that I have to cook today. Not cook, but to eat today. So right now I'm about to go to Tesco or, you know, whatever shop I see first. I'll just get in, get some food because I'm starving, okay? I was so hungry. Now I feel better. If you follow us, you know that me and Barney love food. Like, our love language is literally food. So you are going to see us eat quite a lot. Trying different recipes, things like that. Actually, it hasn't finished yet, but I just have a lot of like deadlines that I'd rather go back to work sooner than later. So yeah, see you guys soon. Hey Kiki.
I'm gonna prepare your dinner now, okay? Yes, very nice.
So guys, I'm about to figure out how I'm going to actually transform this cupboard. I have one of these shelves that I didn't like in one of the cupboards, so I just removed it from one of the cupboards and I'm going to try to put it here so I can organize everything how I like it. So I'm going to use these hooks. They're actually from Amazon. They're quite good. I'm going to link it for you guys. So let's see how it's gonna be. this. Put them here so they're well kept. And then in case we want a bag, we just come here and grab one. So I have all my cleaning products here. So this is how under the sink looks. It's nice, let's see.
You like it?
What is it?
That's just the sprat. It's a type of oily fish. It's good for the hair in the coat. It keeps it healthier. It's gonna have like a nice oily look to her coat, nice shine look.
Oh, okay.
Like healthy skin and hair. And then there is bone, there is organ meat, and normal meat in this. It's already pre-mixed. Yeah, I'm gonna. You break it into small parts.
It in the camera?
Oh, break it into small parts. You put it in a Kong. Like this.
You are hiding this.
Yeah, you put it in like this. And then, if you just give it to her, she'll try to take them out, and it will take her a long time until she can take them out, and she'll leave you alone.
Okay, let's try now then.
Okay, look at her. Look how she's excited. This Kiki, is this yours? Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Yes, it is. Look at her. There you go. Oh, what's this? Oh, one already fell out. And look, she takes it. Take a toy. Take a toy. Take a toy. It's in there.
Put it on the floor, let's see.
Take a toy. Oh, what is this toy? There you go. And now she'll spend ages trying to take those things out. You see?
Oh god, this stinks house.
But she'll play with that for hours, and then she'll leave you alone.
Ooh, Kiki's trying to lick the camera. Kiki. Hey, Kiki. Wow, she ain't gonna be able to take it now.
That's it, she will take a long time, so I mean, she'll figure it out eventually.
7 hours later.
But this way...
She's still trying.
This way you have time to do your things around the house, and she won't be in your way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can coexist with her easily.
Kiki. Kiki. She doesn't even care about me at this point.
No, she's busy, mate. She's working. Kiki is at work. Oh, she got one.
She got one.
Yeah, she ate it. Very nice food. Maybe just... Hello, Kiki. First dinner at the house. Hungry? Look at her. She's so hungry. Hey, sit. Sit. Good girl. There you go.
She's hungry.
There you go, my love. Take your food.
Wow, I even want to eat that. What is that?
It's just the hello meat mixture and a couple of sprats, some fish.
Kiki! I'm surprised she actually looked at us while she's eating. Let's see what she's eating. Wow, you think she's gonna finish all this?
Yeah, I think she can, yeah. That's the right amount of food for her. And then she gets this much again at night. Really? Told me everything.
How is it going, baby?
It's not bad. Try not rush it and make sure it's right.
Yeah, of course.
I'm following the manual today.
First time.
First time.
Oh, God.
That's what you said.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't need to have other pins in it. Wooden pins. Oh no. You're trying to be very nice now so we don't send you out, right? That is what you're trying to do. Trying to be very nice so I don't send you out of here. Look at her. Look at her. She's like, please don't send me out. I'm a good girl.
Oh, God.
Wants to be cold like this.
Oh,
It's too lonely outside. You are too lonely in the couch that you're not supposed to go, but you're going anyway.
She goes on anyway.
You are too lonely over there, Kiki. You were. Oh, I know, Baba. I know, Nana.
Guys, as you can see, we've been quite busy with organizing. Everything is everywhere right now. Like, I don't even know where to start with these clothes, you guys. One is there working as well, very busy. Everyone is busy apart from Kiki. Kiki is just having her best.
She's been on walks. This is what I mean. She's not naughty. She needs to go on a walk so she can get out and look at her dreaming. And
Well,
that just teaches she's dreaming.
What do you think she's dreaming about?
Moving, catching something, things like this.
She's dreaming of catching something.
Yeah, maybe. But she's not a naughty dog, that's what I was saying to Dad. She's not a naughty dog, she needs to be exercised. And look at how calm she is already, just chilling.
Oh. So your dad was saying that Kiki's naughty.
Not just Dad, like everyone. My was saying, oh yeah. This hand stands and
There you go.
that's how it opens. But where did the shoe go?
Shoe goes in there. Give me one pair, please.
If you put the shoe in, it's gonna fall down.
No. Why? If there was, there's gonna be a wall in there.
Oh, I know where I messed up.
Jesus.
Baby.
What happened? You needed to do the wall first.
That's the back of it, I didn't put it in.
Ooh.
I think, right? That's how it's supposed to look, right?
I thought, I don't know. You can put the back. I think it's like a, what is this part?
What is this from? Where is this even from right now? These videos, these instructions, not very good.
Baby, don't make me laugh. Just see the back of it.
Right, 1 second, baby.
Two.
Right, I did this.
Mhm.
That's correct.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
no,
correct.
I'm missing this, see? One here, I think. No?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Check the next page.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one.
I have to take it all apart.
This part is coming. You don't have to because you know this is together, and then you just have to put it.
Yeah, but I have to take this back out now.
Yeah, just that. Just one. Oh, sorry, baby.
Oh, don't break, mate. This guy.
Okay, let's see how you're getting on it later.
This guy.
I've got no bags. This
Nice. What you want to do?
Yeah, just
Open the door, maybe chicken if I couldn't see it.
it has to be up, baby.
Open.
You look apart. Oh yeah, it would.
So guys, as you can see, I really wanted the shoe rack to be behind the front door, but obviously it didn't work. Okay, Kiki just ran away. Anyways, we ended up putting it on our bathroom, which actually worked out fine. I'm gonna put some toilet papers in here and some shoes as well, of course, but yeah, it worked out to be fine.
So guys, we are on our way to take Kiki on a pee break.
Doors opening.
Okay, this part I come to record.
The video is not very nice because this knife is not supposed to be used in it. You know what I mean? It's not very professional.
Oh baby, you don't need to
No, it's
give
true.
excuse.
Some multi-purpose seasoning and
Long, you know, to heat up, isn't it?
yeah, but it's already on 7. I don't want to burn it, so I don't know what to do. So I put it on 9. If I put it on 9, and to be honest, it's working. Look, it's cooking. I'm making pasta.
Pasta with?
Minced meat, onions, tomatoes, green onions. What? Not green. What are they called?
Spring onions.
Spring onions.
Green onions. Ah. But I guess you can say green onions as well because they are green.
Yeah. Look at the meat. It looks good.
Looks good, let me see. Yeah, it looks good, baby.
Let me grab the pasta, so it's ready when I need it.
So guys, I'm about to go to the cinema on my own.
Alright.
So let me... Pasta.
I actually like this colourful pasta.
What is this, baby?
Wow. I don't know, I just took it out from there, so whatever happened to it was on me. How did our kettle break, my love?
You don't remember? So guys, I didn't go to the cinema anymore. As I told you before, I wanted to go to the cinema, but obviously it didn't work out because my videos on Instagram, well, not on Instagram, on YouTube are not uploading right. So I need to stay home, work on it, and then go out. Alright? Don't ask me questions.
that's about what. That's half of one. So because I usually make it one pack. But there's more meat in there though.
Yeah, that's. I think you should put more.
That's a bit more, right?
That's better.
Yeah, that seems about right. That seems about right.
That seems about better.
Kitchen's a bit messy right now because all the cooking is going on. Look at that mess. I made it. My wife is cooking. And little Kiki is also here, begging for food. Replenishing the stock.
Imagine our kids being able to see when we were young, like this.
Like how we're cooking and stuff.
On the videos.
Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. It's very steady and focused. Oh, look at that.
Okay, that's fine. Can we have ketchup and mayo?
We can.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Some cheese.
Buy a drink, but mate, it was heavy.
I can buy one when I go for a walk.
Oh, actually, I'm gonna put cheese first.
Cheese first is best.
Thank you.
I have stewed apples. What is it? Do you like stewed apples? Thank you. You're welcome. I even found some cinnamon. I swapped for it. Gave her more cheese.
Do you see my Instagram story?
Of Kiki?
How nice her food looked?
Mm-hmm.
You should check.
All of this is anonymous. Except here. Here it has to mean something. It's beautiful. This is what I forgot special. Should be different.
It's
Very hot though.
similar to the one Tani made.
You're also
Really?
Remember? You don't think it's similar?
You haven't asked for your napkins this long. And I know you're just a few days late, but a baby would be wonderful. Blessed day off, right? How was your walk? Very pleasant, thank you. How do you feel? Is the Putnam's cake ready? Yes, ma'am. Just need to grab it out. Well, it isn't ready then, is it?